Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be trying Curlformers. So a friend of mine had this at her house and I saw it. I was like, ooh, let me try this. She was like, okay, so here I am, I'm trying it. So I don't know if it's the real thing, if it's the real Curlformers or not. I didn't ask her where she got it from, but this is how she gave it to me in this bag. And yeah, I'm excited to see how it turns out. I already have my hair prepped in little section, which will make it way easier that way. So my hair, to prep my hair, I used the Bohemian collection by All Things All Natural leave-in conditioner with lemongrass. This thing right here, it is the holy grail, at least for me. And I used the Maybelline Twist elongating style cream, and I followed up with the oil. So yeah, so stay tuned to see how it turns out. Okay, so I went ahead and did almost all of my hair off camera. I just left this little section so I can show you guys how I did it, which is pretty, it is pretty easy. It's like, it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist it in, twist a little bit so the ends don't be the roots don't be fluffy. So I have the Curlformer. I take the hook, put it in all the way, and I'll take this hook, okay, so I'll take the hook and hook it up to my hair right there, and then slide it and hold onto it and then pull. I hope you guys were able to see that clearly. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing. Okay guys, so that is the finishing touch. Now I just gotta wait until it all dries out. So yeah, so I will see you in a few hours. So it has been a few hours and I can't wait to see how it looks. I think my hair should be dry by now, so I'm gonna take out this one and see. Oh snap. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, do y'all see that? Like, this is what it looks like. Ooh. Like, it is awesome. I love it just like this. Let me show y'all how the back looks like. But yeah, look at that shine. I think this side came out way better than this side, because this side is partially, it's not dry, so it's like 80% dry, but I love the result. Like, ooh. Yeah, I'm not even gonna separate it because I love it just the way it is. I love it. Ooh, ooh. Yeah guys, so this is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.